If you're still thinking about buying another high-end 2011 or a souped-up polymer striker-fired pistol, you're about to make a very expensive mistake that your wallet and your range performance will regret. Most people are completely blind to the fact that the game just changed, and if you aren't paying attention, you're going to be left holding onto old technology while everyone else moves on to something better. The world of handguns has been stuck in a boring loop for a long time, with everyone just making slightly different versions of the same old thing. But a massive shift just happened that most shooters haven't even heard about yet. Shadow Systems has finally stepped out of the shadow of being just a Glock improvement company and built something from the ground up that is designed to kill the 2011's dominance. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why this new platform is a threat to the status quo and give you the facts about the AXIO that literally no one else is talking about. We're going to look at the hidden engineering, the actual cost of ownership, and why this might be the last handgun you ever need to own. The AXIO origins. For years, Shadow Systems was the go-to name if you wanted a Glock that didn't feel like a brick or shoot like a stapler. They made their name by taking a proven design and perfecting it with better grips, better triggers, and that famous optic mounting system. But there was always a ceiling to that. No matter how much you polish a design from the 80s, you're still limited by its original bones. That's why the AXIO is such a massive deal. It's not a Glock evolution. It's not a clone. It's a clean sheet, first principle striker-fired 9mm pistol. When you build something from a blank piece of paper, you get to fix all the annoying things that we've just learned to live with over the last few decades. You don't have to worry about legacy dimensions or making sure it fits into old holsters. You can focus entirely on how it feels in the hand, how it balances when it's loaded, and how it handles the explosion happening inside it. This isn't just another new gun on the shelf. It's a statement that the old ways of building striker-fired pistols are officially outdated. Fact number 7. Made in the USA. The AXIO is designed and manufactured right here in the USA by Shadow Systems in Plano, Texas. Now, why does that matter for you, the shooter? It's not just about patriotism, it's about quality control and support. When a company builds their own stuff in their own backyard, they have total control over every single part that goes into that box. If there's a problem, they can walk over to the machine shop and fix it. You aren't waiting for a shipment to cross the ocean, and you aren't dealing with a company that's just importing someone else's design. This is Texas engineering through and through. They've built a reputation for standing behind their products, and having that home field advantage means that when you invest your hard-earned money, you're getting a product that was obsessed over by people who actually use these tools every day. Fact number 6. Optics ready and duty tough. The AXIO features a multi-footprint optic cut that allows you to mount almost any major red dot directly to the slide without needing those flimsy, annoying adapter plates that always seem to come loose at the worst time. But it's not just about the red dot. They've included coat-witness iron sights as standard, so if your battery dies or your glass gets smashed, you've still got a way to stay in the fight. The controls are kept low profile so they don't snag on your gear, and the texturing is aggressive enough that the gun won't squirm out of your hand if you're sweaty or it's raining outside. Plus, they aren't stingy with the magazines. It ships with 2 18-round mags right out of the gate. This isn't a project gun where you have to spend another $500 just to make it usable. It's duty tough and competition ready from day one. Fact number 5. The Octagon barrel. Most people just look at a barrel and think, yep, that's a metal tube. But the geometry here is actually doing a lot of heavy lifting. The AXIO uses a signature multifaceted octagon barrel geometry. This isn't just because it looks cool and futuristic, though it definitely does. The shape is designed to perfectly balance strength and weight. By removing material where it isn't needed and reinforcing the areas that take the most stress, they've created a barrel that is incredibly rigid, but doesn't make the gun feel front-heavy. This geometry also plays a huge role in the lockup. When the gun is in battery, that barrel is locked in tight and consistent every single time. Consistent lockup is a secret sauce for predictable accuracy. Whether you're shooting for groups at the range or you're in a high-pressure situation, you want to know exactly where that bullet is going, and the Octagon barrel is there to make sure of it. If you are enjoying this breakdown, please consider liking the video and subscribe to our channel. That really helps us a lot. Now, let's get back to the video. Fact number 4. Choose your own adventure. Usually, when a company launches a new platform, you get one version and you like it or lump it. Shadow Systems decided to give us choices. The AXIO comes in 2 different trims and 2 different lengths. The standard AXIO is for the person who wants a solid, reliable carry or duty gun. It comes with a roughly 4-pound trigger and textured polymer grip panels that feel great in the hand. But if you want to go full race car, you can step up to the AXIO Pro. That one drops the trigger pull down to about 2.5 pounds and replaces the polymer with machined steel grip panels and a flared magwell for those lightning-fast reloads. On top of that, both trims are available with either a 4-inch or a 4.4-inch barrel. If you want something a bit more compact for concealment, go with the 4-inch. If you want that extra sight radius and a bit more weight out front to help with the recoil, the 4.4-inch is your best friend. It's rare to see this much customization available at launch. Fact number 3. The all-steel chassis core. Now we're getting into the heavy-hitting engineering that truly separates the AXIO from the plastic fantastic crowd. The all-steel chassis core. Most striker-fired guns rely on a polymer frame to hold everything together, which is fine for weight, but it can feel a bit hollow and flex under recoil. The AXIO uses a precision-machined, heavy-duty steel chassis instead. This steel core is the background of the entire gun. It places the mass exactly where you need it to be, low and centered. This gives the gun a planted and balanced feel that you just can't get with a polymer-only frame. It also allows for a much tighter slide-to-frame fit. Because steel doesn't flex like plastic, the tolerances can be much tighter, which leads to better reliability and a much smoother action. When you rack the slide on an AXIO, it doesn't feel like 2 pieces of Tupperware rubbing together. It feels like a finely tuned machine. This rigidity is a huge part of why this gun shoots so much better than its competitors. Fact number 2. The Overstroke slide system. Another massive engineering shift is something you can't see from the outside, but you will absolutely feel the very first time you pull the trigger. The Overstroke slide system. This is where the AXIO's first principles engineering really starts to show off. Most guns have a very short, violent slide cycle. The slide goes back, hits the stop, and slams forward. That sudden hit at the back of the cycle is what you feel as snap or muzzle flip. Shadow Systems engineered the AXIO with extra slide travel and dwell time. By letting the slide travel just a little bit further and stay back for a fraction of a second longer, they've managed to tame the recoil impulse dramatically. It spreads that energy out over a longer period, which means the gun doesn't snap up, it just pushes back gently. This results in a gun that shoots noticeably flatter and softer than any other duty-sized striker-fired pistol on the market. In fact, it's so smooth that it actually rivals the feel of some high-end 2011s, but without all the maintenance headaches that those guns usually bring. If you want to shoot faster and more accurately, this is a technology that's going to get you there. Fact number 1. The 2011 Killer. The ultimate truth you need to understand about the Shadow Systems AXIO is its core purpose. This gun was built to be the no-compromise answer to the question, what if we built the ultimate striker-fired pistol to beat 2011s at their own game? For a long time, if you wanted a truly amazing-feeling gun, you had to go with the 2011. But those guns are notoriously expensive. They can be finicky with magazines, and they require a lot of love to keep running. The AXIO gives you that high-end, heavy metal flat-shooting performance, but in a platform that is dead reliable and features a fully drop-safe trigger for real-world carry. It's built for the person who wants the best possible shooting experience, but doesn't want to worry about whether their gun is going to work when it gets a little dirty. With a starting price of $1,999 for the standard model and $2,249 for the AXIO Pro, it's not a budget gun, but it's a massive value compared to a $4,000 custom 2011. It's focused purely on performance, balance, and how it actually feels in your hand when the timer is running or the stakes are high. Shadow Systems didn't just make another pistol. They made a tool that challenges everything we thought we knew about striker-fired guns. If you're serious about your shooting and you want the cutting edge of American engineering, the AXIO is the platform you need to be looking at. It's tough, it's precise, and it's built to win. Make sure you're subscribed to All About Survival so you're the first to know when we get our hands on the latest gear.